waste is one of the most pressing concerns in our community. The United States alone wastes about 30 to 40% of its food supply each year, amounting to anywhere between 90 billion to 140 billion tons. When food reaches landfills, it gets broken down by microbes. However, due to condensed and overly cramped mounds of waste, microbes are starved of oxygen, causing them to emit a greenhouse gas called methane. Methane emissions contribute to about 25% of warming temperatures from climate change, and landfills are the third highest source of human-related methane emissions, accounting for roughly 14%. Given that landfills account for this much of methane emissions, addressing food waste is not just an environmental necessity, but a moral obligation. By tackling this issue head-on, we can significantly cut down on methane emissions and take a substantial step towards slowing global warming.
That's where CORA steps in. CORA stands for Compost, Organic, Recyclable, Assistant. Our solution focuses on transforming food waste from landfills into something beneficial, high-quality compost. By doing so, we not only reduce methane emissions, but also support sustainable agriculture and promote a circular economy.
Our robots will maneuver throughout school cafeterias and collect food waste from students and floors. CORA will have a large compartment that opens from the top by using infrared sensors when students put their hands out and can throw in their leftover food scraps. A wide-mouthed vacuum mechanism at the front sweeps up the crumbs. Additionally, CORA has an app that can be downloaded from the App Store for schools to monitor their robots' battery levels, manage their pickup schedules, and communicate with our team. The collected waste will then be transported by our workers to our facilities, where we will first segregate the food scraps and other organic and compostable materials from the synthetic materials that may have been collected. The organic materials will then go through an extensive process of cleaning before being turned into high-quality soil. This soil can be used for gardening and agricultural purposes. Breaking down the components of CORA, we have a vacuum component that utilizes a high-efficiency motor generating substantial airflow, creating a powerful suction force. This is essential for collecting food scraps of all shapes, sizes, and textures. The vacuum also has a wider mouth inlet area to maximize the collection of food. Our CORA Infinity model has a mopping mechanism, which is made up of a scrubbing system that uses rotating microfiber cloths saturated with eco-friendly cleaning solutions each time it passes through the inside of the robot during its rotation cycle. The water dispensing system releases just the right amount of cleaning solution onto the floor as the robot moves to prevent excessive moisture. Once in the factories, we use deep packaging technology to remove food waste from packaging and synthetic materials. Then it goes through an extensive composting process where we use forced air systems to replenish oxygen throughout the compost mixture to make it decompose faster. We also use a leachate control system to reduce mess and odors by recirculating the excess moisture. Through these processes, we are able to produce high-quality, clean soil for multiple purposes.
Our process starts with a consultation appointment in which one of our team members personally communicates with the school's administrators to figure out the school's specific needs. During this consultation, we will determine the best robot model, collection pickup schedule, and maintenance of the robot. Now, you may be thinking, why would these schools even want to work with us in the first place? To create an incentive for the schools that we work with, we will share a portion of the soil we produce free of charge. The rest of our soil will be available for purchase and open to the general public. As we said, we offer different robot types which come with their own specialities. We have CORA, CORA Plus, and CORA Infinity. CORA is the basic model with the biodegradable collection compartment and front vacuum mechanism. CORA Plus includes all of CORA's basic features in addition to the larger compartment for the food waste, and CORA Infinity includes all of these features and has a mopping mechanism.
So, you may be asking, how are we financing all of this? CORA will be funded through bank loans, partnerships, savings, and government grants. We will partner with local environmental organizations to share resources so that we can decrease our initial costs. We will also apply for grants that focus on our initiatives and align with our mission. To efficiently launch CORA, we're estimating an initial fund of around $300,000. This sum will be allocated to robot manufacturing, constructing our compost and soil production facilities, and our marketing expenses. Instead of offering standalone products, CORA provides a comprehensive service, making our approach truly unique, generating a cyclical revenue stream, reinvesting into sustainability efforts. While companies like Scrap Soils transport waste from restaurants directly to farms for composting, CORA's approach targets schools. This unique, closed-loop system sets CORA apart in the food waste management market. Our target market focuses on elementary and middle schools, where food waste is most prevalent. The market opportunity is substantial, especially in New Jersey, where there are 7,869 schools. We estimate that between 1,500 and 2,000 schools could benefit from CORA services, factoring in food waste levels, district budgets, and facility access. Each school, on average, generates around 9 tons of food waste per month, and if we capture at least 50% of that waste, we're looking at 4 to 5 tons of compost per school per month. This scale of impact, both environmentally and financially, positions CORA to make a significant difference by turning waste into valuable compost.
At CORA, we're not just managing waste, we're transforming how schools think about sustainability. By turning everyday trash into valuable compost, we're creating a greener future. Join us in revolutionizing sustainability. Together, we can turn waste into opportunity, one robot and one school at a time. Thank you.